Good morning. So today we're going to start a new writing, but you're going to be watching videos and following along with me to save some time in class. So right now I want you to pause the video and go and grab your language arts notebook that you have writing in already. Okay, so hopefully you're back. You have your writing journal, and I want you to go ahead and write this prompt in your journal. Write about a time you went somewhere new. So you might want to push pause again on this video so that you have time to write this prompt. Okay, so now we're going to analyze the prompt. What does this prompt mean? So I see write about a time you went somewhere new. So I know this A is going to mean one time. So I'm talking about one time that I went somewhere new. So I need to think about all of the times that I went somewhere new. And I want to try to figure out what is the best one going to be about to write about. So I might create a circle map that in the middle, I'm going to put somewhere new. And I'm going to try to think about all of the places that were new to me that I went. So maybe I want to talk about a field trip when I went to the LA Zoo. Or maybe I went to a college football game. Maybe I went to the science center. Maybe I went to Las Vegas for the first time. Or maybe I went to Mexico for the first time. Last summer, I went to North Carolina, and we went to this. It was called the White Water Adventure Park. Maybe I want to talk about the first time I went to Knott's Berry Farm. So it could be any of these things. Maybe you're just saying your aunt's house for the first time, or your grandma's house for the first time, or some other type of park for the first time, or some type of museum for the first time. Oops, spelled that wrong. Okay, so again, you might want to pause this video, and you are going to be brainstorming all of the places that you went somewhere new. So go ahead and pause this video, and I want you to create your circle map. Okay, so hopefully you're back on, the video's playing, and now you have your circle map created. So my next thing I want to think about is which place am I going to have a lot to talk about? So I'm going to have enough to turn it into a whole writing. I don't think my aunt's house, I'm going to have that much stuff to say because it was just my aunt's house. We just kind of hung out, watched TV, and ate dinner. I don't have that many details to put. College football game, I don't really think so. My Mexico trip, I don't have just one thing I kind of want to talk about. I don't know. So eliminate some of the ones you don't think you can have enough to write about, and just leave the ones that you do. Then with the ones that you left over, try to think about what is the most that's interesting to you, because if you're writing about something that you enjoy, you will be able to write more about it. So go ahead and pick the one that you're going to write about, and I'm going to go ahead and write about the Whitewater Adventure Park. Okay? So when you're done with this video, you're going to go ahead and watch the next video.